What's up? Dan McDonald. You're getting your bonus video for the day, folks. I was here. I got the camera. I got the microphone on the hat. I'm ready to roll. So let's do the bonus snack video. Okay? That actually looks pretty good. But we're going to do a little, I don't know, cabbage slaw, little kimchi action here. Okay? For me, I know what people say, but man, I really love vegetables, man. I really do. So I'm going to chop up these vegetables, throw them into a bowl, and make a little kimchi. Doesn't have to be, I'm just going to cut it however today. So it's just basically a cabbage. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Good one. Lots of flavor. It's really good. Nice big fat piece. Now for the kale. Add a little kale. And then you could add anything you want to this, actually. Ginger, turmeric, green onions, whatever. A little bit of sea salt. Plug it in. And then just by hand masticate. And it's just gorgeous, baby, gorgeous. And then after that, I'm just going to let this sit for a while and kind of marinate in its own juice. And then I'm going to add the soaked and sprouted almonds from Living Intentions. Can you dig it? With what's in there? Fat, carbs, protein, vitamin E, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin D. Cool, right? Very simple, but very delicious, fulfilling. I'm a vegetable guy. I'm a fruit guy. I'm an herb guy. And I'm very glad that I am, because I feel very balanced, well-rounded, healthy, stable. And coming from where I came from, those are all pretty damn good qualities to have developed. I don't know if there's so much qualities as they are just blessings, grace. So, simple, raw food recipe. I got hundreds of more recipes on my website at regenerateyourlife.org, and right now there's a special. You can get all of the material that I've produced for the last 15 years on my website for like $197, and there's like thousands of recipes and tens of thousands of hours of video. I mean, it's like unbelievable amount of information that I'll never be able to reproduce again. I'll never be able to go back to those days, you know. So anyhow, there we go. That broke down to about half the size. And, you know, you need a lot of love into it. You know, like you need the dough, so you just put all that love into it. And absolutely magnificent, baby. So put the sprouted almonds, and then you put it into the jar. And you can just let it marinate in its own juices. Like that. And yeah, it'll last for a few weeks in the fridge in a jar. So a great way to preserve your cabbage. And so yeah, let's just fill it up. I'll show you the whole deal, and then I'll let you go. I spill a lot. I'm not going to win any awards for cleanliness. I mean, the food is clean. Can you dig it? So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the best. Nice. Cool. Thanks for watching the video. Look at that. And take that for lunch. Can you dig it? You know what I'm saying? You'll be winning. You get some chopsticks. Pfft. Throw whatever you want in there, man. All your favorite stuff. Throw some beets, carrots, green onions, purple onions, whatever. Ginger, turmeric, anything. It's legit. I am going to toss on one of these bad boys because I am not a low fat. I'm a high carb, high fat, high protein. And I'm jacked to prove it. I wasn't fasting all the time. But I'm jacking up right now between fasts. And I'm feeling mighty good. So God bless you. Thanks for your love and support over here on the artist formerly known as the Life Regenerator before I spoke too much truth. But we're not going to talk anything about that anymore. We're just going to move ahead, start over from scratch. And I really appreciate you being here for it. God bless you. Peace be with you. DTM is out.